Okay, we're just before the start of the play, and here's everybody being a little bit nervous. Oh, you can see it on their faces. Very good, very good.
You're always sexy!
Oh, we gonna chop. Come on, man.
What do you think about our last show?
The last show was excellent and was full of happiness, and that's why it was the best. It was really, really spectacular. Good job, very good job.
Gracias.
Sara, you are great. De maravillosa, única, genial, inimitable, Sara Tomic, I love you! Woo! Fucking Serbia! I forget one thing very important. Push me good, I leash me pichka! Oui, oui! Buen día, ¿cómo estás? In serbo.